How to set a blank WhatsApp status. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp. And then once you open up WhatsApp, you should be finding this interface. Now you may head over to the option where you can update your status. Tap on updates. And here you will be finding add status option. So go ahead and tap on the option that says add status. And then once you tap on add status, you may go ahead and tap on text. After tapping on text, in order to add an invisible status, what you can do is close your WhatsApp for a while and head over to invisibletext.com. After that, here you will be finding a blank space copy and paste. You may tap on copy and your text should be copied. Once it is copied, you may head over to your WhatsApp status and go ahead, paste it right here. And then go ahead and tap next. Once you do that, this status should be updated. So wait for about a few seconds in order to update your status. And once the status is updated like this, you can view your status, the blank status. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to set a blank WhatsApp status. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.